Welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing us how to make a circular skirt. So the first thing is you fold your fabric into 4 like so. After you must have folded your fabric, then you determine the radius of your waist. That is, what is your waist measurement? Let's assume for this example the waist I'm using is 12 inches plus 2 inches sewing allowance in case you are using a zip. For your zip allowance rather, in case you are using zip, add 2 inches, it will be 14. So that 14 now, you will now divide 14 by 6.28. So that is what will give you the radius that you'll be using to make or to form your circle, your arc. So according to my own example, if I'm using 14 divided by 6.28, that will be like 2 points, let's just say roughly 2 inches. So you will now take that 2 inches like this, you shock it around. Make sure your tape remains on this point here. So you take your tape round like that, marking that 2 inches. Take your tape like that all round until you form the arc that you need. So now the length, you will determine the length of your skirt. For this example, I'm using length, let me use 7.5 so that it will be enough. So the length is 7.5. If you are making your own, the length of your skirt plus hemming allowance, when you want to hem it, so you have to add allowance that will go for that. So if your length is 20 or 25 or whatever, make sure you add like 1 or 2 inches, because most of the time you might want to weave your circular skirt instead of going through the stress of hemming it on the machine. You might want to just weave it. In that case, you don't need much of an allowance, so you can just add 1 inches. So it depends on the type of hem that you want. So the length also, you will shock it around like this. Yourself 7.5 in this example, you will shock it all round like that to form the arc. So when you have shocked this round and shock this also round, you will cut this out, you will cut this out. So when you cut it out, that's when you have your peplum. I will show you that now.